Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use the O'Hare instruments. I'm first going to start off with my 1-2 O'Hare. This specific instrument is going to be used for the anteriors. So we want to make sure that when we are using these, that the terminal shank is parallel with the long axis of the tooth. So just going to go ahead and start off with inserting at the distal, and the stroke is going to be a push and pull. And with the O'Hares, they do have a 270-degree cutting edge, so it allows for easy access and maneuvering into those interproximals. And then same thing, we can go ahead and do the lingual. So it's parallel the long axis, and I'm going to insert it, and it's going to be a push and pull stroke. And after you have finished, it's always important to follow with a power scaler. The next O'Hare instrument I'm going to be demonstrating with is going to be the 910. This is used in the posterior, and the surfaces are going to be for facial and lingual. So when doing the buccal for posterior teeth, you want to make sure that the terminal shank is parallel with the long axis of the tooth as shown here. And I'm going to go ahead and insert my tip here, and same thing, this is going to be a push and pull stroke. And like I mentioned before, since this does have a 270-degree cutting edge, it allows for maneuver into those interproximals. And then to demonstrate on the lingual, you want to insert it at the distal line angle. And push, pull and push, push and pull stroke. Okay, and the last O'Hare instrument is going to be the 7-8. This one is used in the posterior as well. However, it's used for interproximal surfaces such as the mesial and distal. So for these ones, go ahead and show you. So same thing, we want to make sure that the terminal shank is parallel to the long axis of the tooth. So that's about right there. And it's going to be a push and pull as well to get those distals. And if you want to do mesial, we just switch back over to the other side, insert it at the line angle, and push and pull. And then here's like the lingual point of view.